Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you today. I got a couple here that took their truck to one of these places to have an oil change done. They didn't have a whole bunch of time. Figured they'd get right in and right out. Well, while they was there, they got talked into buying 2 new batteries and having their battery cable ends repaired. Rather impressed with the job that they got done. Not really. Here's one of the cables. And we'll come over to this one over here. This is the wrong end right here, or it's upside down. It's spread way apart. It's not fit correctly. And this one here, couldn't even draw it all the way down. Get my finger underneath it. Same over here. And grab a hold of it. They're not supposed to be loose like that. Neither one of them. Come to me with a power issue, and this wasn't done correctly. And we'll come over to the other side over here. See the other battery. Got some more special stuff going on over here. Same over here. You know, when you take your truck, car, moped, motorcycle, 3-wheeler, quad, really don't matter, if you take it to one of these places and they tell you there's something wrong, it don't hurt to second guess them and have somebody else take a look at it. Don't hurt at all. Don't hurt at all. Can't believe this. Yep, y'all have a great day out there. Be safe. I'll see you around. Like I said, it don't hurt to second guess what somebody's saying, especially when it's taking dollars out of your pocket. Thank you very much. Bye.